How to solve this problem? Here is the simple way to solve the problem.
Again here with some new courses, and really these courses are interesting, and you can see this all course is offered by Udemy. First one is Python automation, second one is password hacking, third one is front-end development, and automate the boring stuff with Python programming. And this course is really great. You can automate your whatever you want to automate, like you can automate your chatbots, you can automate your emails, you can automate your email replies, and you can automate many things like your cursor, your browser. You can automate your browser first page. You can automate your many things that you do with your hands daily. You can use to make a refresh button for your PC using automation with Python programming. And you just have to do whatever we always do. Just you have to copy free coupon from here so that you will get 100% free of cost, and click here. You will redirect to the course. As you can see that this course is 420 rupees for now, and you have to just apply my coupon from here. After applying my coupon here, you can get this is absolutely free, and this is for limited time. As you can see, this is for 1 day left at this price. And in this course you can automate boring stuffs with Python, a practical programming course for office worker, academics and administrator who want to improve their productivity. What you learn in this: automate tasks on their computer by writing simple Python programs, programmatically generate and update Excel spreadsheet, parse PDF, Word documents, and many things. And this course has 16 sections, 51 lectures, and the duration of this course is 9 hours 30 minutes. Let's preview this course. Just click here and preview.
Hello and welcome. This course teaches complete beginners how to improve their productivity by learning to program. I'm Al Swigert. I'm a software developer and tech book author. I've written 4 programming books. This course is based off of
Password ethical hacking course, and you will learn how to hack browsers and many things absolutely free. Just you have to copy my coupon from here so that you will get 100% free of cost this course. Just click here and you can see this is for 20 rupees course, and a comprehensive course. Start as a beginner, and by end of the day you will learn how to hack browsers. You just have to apply my coupon so that you will get 100% free. Yeah, this coupon is applied and only 23 hours left at this price, so you have to enroll as soon as possible. And just be with me so that you will get all free courses, limited time free courses within time. So just subscribe my channel. And what you will learn in this course: learn Linux, network hacking, password. This is 35 minutes on demand video, full-time access on the mobile and TV. Certification after the completion of this course. All this course gives you certificate free of cost. Let's go to the third, that is last, front-end web development for beginner, a practical guide. Just click here. After copying my coupon, in this course you will learn the front-end web development quickly. Master HTML5, that is latest version of HTML, CSS3, JS, Bootstrap by building a project from scratch. You will learn many things in this course because this course is giving you the practical knowledge, not only the theoretical knowledge. You have to apply coupon from here After applying this coupon, you will get free for only 20 hours left. You have to apply for these course as soon as possible. You will learn website, how to make a website using HTML CSS bootcamp. These 6 sections with 31 lectures and 3 hours 43 total length of this course. So just subscribe my channel so that you will get all these courses free of cost, and I will give this link in the description so that you will get all these courses absolutely free. First one is Python automation, password hacking and front-end course. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you.